In this tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB flash drive using command prompt only. Here I'm creating a Windows 7 bootable USB. For Windows XP, Vista or Windows 8, the steps are exactly the same. So the steps are: first, plug in your USB flash drive to your computer. Here I am plugging my flash drive here. Don't forget to back up your any existing data stored on it, because when we performing the steps we'll be erasing everything on it, so don't forget to back up. Okay, so let's start. First of all, open command prompt. For that, type cmd, then right click on it, run it as administrator. Now the command prompt is launcher. Okay, then we want to enter disk path. The disk path is now loading. Now it's loaded. Then I want to list all the disks that associate with my computer. For that, type list disk. Yes, it's listed. Then you can see disk 0 and disk 1. Disk 0 is my main hard drive and disk 1 is my USB flash drive. So here I am selecting disk 1. So type select disk 1. Press enter. Now the disk 1 is selected. Then we want to clean our disk. So type clean. Then press enter. So the disk was succeed in cleaning the disk. Then next step, we want to create a new partition. For that, type create partition primary. Create partition primary, press enter. Now the partition is created. Then select the newly created partition. For that, type select partition 1. Press enter. So the partition 1 is now selected. Then the next step is formatting the partition. For that, type format fs equal FAT32 quick. Here don't forget to type quick, because normal format will take probably 5 to 15 or 20 minutes to complete. So the quick option makes the format process much faster. So press enter. Just wait for seconds. Okay, the formatting is successful. Next step is we want to activate the partition. For that, type active, press enter. So the partition is active. Then we can assign a drive letter to this USB flash drive. It's not necessary. Here the drive letter H is here. If you want to change, then we can change by using command assign letter equal Z. This is like example. Diskmark successfully assigned the drive letter. Yes. Next step is copy all of the contents from a Windows 7 installation DVD into USB drive, or you can also mount the Windows 7 ISO image into a virtual drive and copy all the contents over to the USB flash drive. Here I am mounting my Windows 7 ISO. For that, it's my Windows 7 ISO. Okay, I'm opening it with Demon tools. Yes, now it's mounted. Then we want to copy it. Before copying, first exit from disk path. Remember, not from command prompt. So type exit. Then type xcopy virtual drive letter, that is here G is my virtual drive letter, X copy G, then colon, then backslash star dot star, then space /s /e /f, then USB drive letter, that is Z is here, so type Z colon, then backslash, then hit enter. Just wait for the completion. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to finish. Now it's completed. That's it. Your Windows 7 bootable USB flash drive is ready. For more videos, visit talknetworking.net. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.